everyone! Have you ever encountered the site can't be reached error message while trying to visit a website in the Chrome browser on your Windows computer? If yes, here's the easiest way to fix this error. Go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on your active network connection and then click on Properties. To select Internet Protocol version 6 to disable it and then click OK to save the changes. Now, try to load the web page that you were attempting to access and check if the error is fixed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!